Imagine a blade so sharp and resilient that it becomes the stuff of legends, a material so unique that its creation process is lost to history, sparking the imaginations of scholars and blacksmiths for centuries. This is the story of Damascus steel, a marvel of ancient technology and a testament to the ingenuity of medieval Islamic civilization. The journey of Damascus steel begins not in Damascus, but in the ancient forges of southern India, where a unique form of high-carbon steel known as woots was developed. This steel, known for its durability and distinctive patterned surface, was traded across continents, arriving in the hands of skilled craftsmen in the Near East. Damascus, a city renowned for its trade and craftsmanship, became synonymous with the finest blades known to man, crafted from this exotic import. The creation of Damascus steel blades was a culmination of advanced metallurgical practices, a deep understanding of materials science that medieval Islamic blacksmiths possessed. The wavy patterns resembling flowing water were not just aesthetically pleasing, but contributed to the blade's strength, allowing it to hold a keen edge while being remarkably tough and flexible. This wasn't merely craftsmanship. It was science in action, an embodiment of the Islamic Golden Age's spirit of inquiry and innovation. Yet, by the 18th century, the secret techniques of Damascus steel were lost. The reasons are many and speculated upon: changes in trade routes, the loss of specific materials, or the gradual erosion of knowledge passed down through generations. This loss turned Damascus steel into a legend, a symbol of lost ancient technology that many sought to rediscover. Modern science has peeled back some layers of this mystery, revealing the presence of carbon nanotubes and unique crystalline structures within the steel, evidence of a sophisticated understanding of materials that predates modern nanotechnology. Today, what is often called Damascus steel is created through pattern welding, a method that mimics the visual appearance of the original, but through different means. While true Damascus steel remains a relic of the past, these modern recreations are homage to the skill and knowledge of ancient blacksmiths. The story of Damascus steel is more than just a tale of a lost art. It's a bridge connecting the past and present, showing us the remarkable achievements of human ingenuity. It's a reminder of the golden age of Islamic science and technology, which contributed so much to the foundations of modern science. Damascus steel remains a symbol of the endless quest for knowledge and the beauty of discovery that transcends time. As we conclude our journey through the captivating history and enduring legacy of Damascus steel, we're reminded of the incredible ingenuity and pursuit of excellence that have defined human craftsmanship and scientific inquiry throughout the ages. From the ancient forges of India to the modern laboratories and workshops, the story of Damascus steel bridges past and present, inviting us to appreciate the beauty and complexity of this legendary material. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and thank you for watching.